Hello, my name's John from Hicksadley Estate Agents. I'm at 40 Unitt Drive today in Cradley Heath. This lovely 3-storey property. Let me just take you through the front door. So here we are. We start off in the entrance hall. I'm going to carry on through there. So we've got a nice bit of storage under the stairs. In here, as you can see, we've got the shower room. And then if I carry on along left-hand side, we have what is actually bedroom 3, but is currently kitted out as an extra reception room effectively. And if I go right ahead of me, we have a utility area, really nice size. And if I look out into the garden, really nice low maintenance garden. There is also some lights there which you may be able to see, which you can switch on from the kitchen, from the utility. So it's a nice little feature as well. If I carry on up the stairs to the first floor, right hand side, we've got the lounge dining area. Again, in COVID times, it's currently kitted out as a little office. So that's a really nice size room. And there's to the rear elevation again, just another shot of the garden. So if I turn round, head on right down the hallway on the first floor. Lovely shot of the position, looking straight down the road. But the door between the two was the kitchen. So here we are. There you go, nicely kitted out kitchen. Up the stairs we go, second floor. Now straight ahead, we've got the house bathroom. And on the right hand side, we have the master bedroom. So we've got the built-in wardrobes there. And as if a bathroom and shower room isn't enough, you've got an ensuite as well. Really tastefully chosen ensuite, nice size. And last but not least, we have bedroom 2. And I think this actually looks even bigger than on the photographs, this one, when you walk into it. I'll show you from both sides because it's quite a unusually shaped room. So there's quite a nice little recess there for for your wardrobes, and of course you've got the storage on this side of the room as well. So yeah, that's the 3-storey property we've put on the market now on Unitt Drive. If it looks like it might be for you, please give us a call. 0121 585 6667.